Want to know why these women look so confident and vibrant? Their secret is the Chic Shaper, a unique undergarment designed to gently support you for amazing lift and to correct your shoulders for perfect posture without discomfort. The Chic Shaper is not a bra, but when worn over any of your existing bras, it gently embraces you so you stand taller and lifts your bust so you'll look slimmer and have a more youthful silhouette. The racerback design and double support straps gently pull back your shoulders to prevent slouching for perfect posture. The U-shaped support panels and double elastic material provide amazing lift, creating a fuller, firmer look. And the straps are adjustable, so you can wear your Chic Shaper to the office and then pump up your look for a night on the town. This comfortable, new lifting and posture perfecting undergarment works with any cup size and any of your existing bras. The Chic Shaper is the shaping sensation that enhances your natural beauty instantly.
The way that this is designed, it helps you with your posture. It's a natural feel, and you actually sit up straight and walk straight.
As you age, you find yourself slumping over more. But with the Chic Shaper, it helps me to stand tall, my shoulders are back, and I just feel more